I'm Laudiaann Sylvest. Welcome back. If you're at my YouTube channel, thank you for watching my video, supporting my channel. In this video, I wanted to share with you some of the things I've made for my electronic devices. And this is one of my brand new phone. I just got a pre-ordered the S23 Ultra. So it's a really great phone. I just had it for about 3 days. But I did crochet me some phone covers, and I'm going to share it with you. Here's one. Okay, so with this case, there is a section here. I made a little pocket for my earbuds, but the phone goes right directly in here, and it will protect my phone if I drop it. It will not crack, but I did make a little flower here. I'm thinking of putting a button here, like a pretty button, and I embroidered the leaf, so extra pocket. So that's one of my phone covers I made. I made this one today. Yesterday I made me a brown one, so I'm going to share that with you all. This is my brown cover. This is a plain phone cover for the S23 Ultra. And like if I want to hang it somewhere, I can, because there's a little hook there. And what I did with this one, I kind of closed it in so the phone won't fall out. Alright, and that's my brand new phone, new cover and all. And this one I made was for my laptop. And this laptop has a sticker on it. The Visas. It's a gateway computer, and I've been using this one a lot. It's not that very old, but I really needed a fast computer with a better processor. So this is not the iCore, the i7 for a really fast processor. This is kind of like a cheaper brand. It's a gateway. But I use this to upload my videos on YouTube. And the one that you are watching right now, I can't show you my Evo HP, my brand new computer, iCore. It is i7, and it's really fast. And it has 512 memory. Really good, but I got the fastest processor. Alright, and then this one. Oh, and then I have a case to go along with that HP. I bought it yesterday. So this computer is brand new. And for my Galaxy Samsung, it's an 8. I really love this swipe it open. I'm gonna go to the settings, and what I really like about this tablet, it is the Galaxy tablet S7 FE 5G. It's a really good tablet. It's an Android tablet. I also have iPad, but this is the tablet I love the most because it has fantastic sound to it. It's really good sound with this tablet. And I made the case for it, and I have my pen. Goes in this little pocket here. And my accessories, my plugs go in here. So it's a really good to have. I use this tablet a lot to watch movies. Okay. I need to take a drink right now. So, I have a new phone and a new computer and a new pair of glasses. So, everyone, thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. You're new to my channel, go ahead and check out my other videos and check out the latest uploads that I will be uploading. And thank you. Come back and subscribe and leave comments, because I like to check out your channel too. Alright, take care everyone. Bye.
Who said I'm not scared?
But you took on a croc.
And I was scared doing it. If you ain't scared of a croc biting you on the face, you ain't alive. Listen, kid, you can't get rid of fear. It's like Mother Nature. You can't beat her or outrun her, but you can get through it. You can find out what you're made of.
Don't hide. Live. Follow the sun. You'll make it to tomorrow. You follow the light.
Start. Start now. Start where you are. Start with what you have. Start with all your insecurities. Start with what you already know. Start moving towards the goal. Start and make mistakes. Start small. Start now. Just.
First video is not going to give views, period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to give views. I can very confidently say that. All you need to do, this applies to people who have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking. My first 500 videos didn't deserve to get 1 million views. Like, there's a reason they did. They were terrible. But at the time, I thought they did. I'm in the mindset of a lot of small YouTubers where I thought those videos deserved 1 million views and I thought the algorithm hated me. But I watch them back now and I can tell you exactly why. The videos are just fucking horrible.
Well, here's how to get paid by YouTube. You need to know these 4 things. You need to live in a country where the YouTube partnership program is even available. You need to have no community guideline strikes on your channel, have more than 4,000 public watch hours in a 12-month time period, and have more than 1,000 subscribers. Once you have all of these, you can start getting paid by YouTube.
How do you make money with a small channel?
The first thing is actually not to focus on making money at all first, but to focus on influence first. You can't make income if you don't have influence, because if you can't keep the lights on, or if you're starving yourself, then how are you going to ultimately impact others? You need money to fuel the mission. Find another way to make money. Too many people, I think, they maybe start with desperation, which is the worst way to start anything. If you start in a desperate place on YouTube, you'll make bad decisions. 3 new YouTube features you definitely want to take advantage of. 1, the community tab. Once you reach 500 subscribers on YouTube, you can start using the community tab. This is kind of like a wall on Facebook where you can do polls, images, text, and share your new and old videos. 2, YouTube stories. YouTube stories are kind of like Instagram stories. However, they last an entire week and not just 24 hours. To be eligible to use YouTube stories, you do need 10,000 subscribers, but they are a cool feature that not a lot of people use. 3, YouTube Shorts. Shorts is YouTube's attempt to compete with Instagram and vertical content on TikTok, and it's one of the biggest opportunities for growth on YouTube right now. And if you want to learn more about these new YouTube features and some of the latest strategies for growth on YouTube right now, check out the new and improved updated version of my book, YouTube Secrets, 2nd edition. It's out now on Amazon.com, Audible, Kindle, and physical. Check it out.
Daily reminder. You got this. I know it may seem like you don't right now, but you do. So far, you've survived 100% of your bad days. That's pretty damn good.
Negativity, you can protect.
real high and dry.